Using QuickBooks for a beauty business is straightforward, and today I'll guide you through the process. Tailor your chart of accounts to suit your beauty business. Here are some examples of relevant accounts: income service revenue, e.g., haircuts, facials, product sales, e.g., retail items, gift certificates, expenses, e.g., cosmetics and supplies, equipment rental or leasing, salon fees such as rent and utilities, marketing and advertising, the payroll costs. If you sell retail products, utilize QuickBooks Online's inventory management features to track stock levels, reorder points, and product costs. Record transactions by creating invoices for services rendered or products sold, customized with your salon logo and contact information. Enter bills from suppliers, rent payments, utility bills, and other business expenses, categorizing them properly for accurate reporting. Record customer payments and manage bank accounts, reconciling them regularly for accurate bookkeeping. Utilize QuickBooks Online's customer management features to track client information, purchase history, and contact details.